In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Monopoly Go server status, clear Chrome browsing data, and verify your network connection. To get started, open Google Chrome on your device and go to the Google search homepage. This will be your starting point for checking whether the game is currently having any live server issues or maintenance updates. Once the page loads, click into the search bar and type Monopoly Go server status, then run the search. Look through the results for recent updates, official service pages, community reports, or live patch information. This is helpful because if the game is undergoing maintenance or a server-side fix, the issue may not be coming from your device at all. Taking a moment to confirm the current server status can save you time before trying any troubleshooting steps on your end. If you also use Chrome for any game-related web logins, the next thing to do is clear your browsing data and cache. In Chrome, open the browser menu and go to the settings area where browsing data can be removed. Choose the option to clear browsing data and make sure cached files are included. In many cases, clearing cache data helps remove outdated session information or stored website files that may interfere with sign-ins or loading behavior. If you want to be more thorough, you can also review the time range before confirming the action, depending on how much data you want to remove. After that, let Chrome finish clearing the data completely before moving on. Once that's done, the final step is to verify your network connectivity settings using a browser speed test. Open a new tab in Chrome and search for a speed test, then run one from a trusted result. Pay attention to your download speed, upload speed, and especially your latency or ping. Even if your internet seems connected, unstable speeds or high latency can cause problems with online games and login services. If the results are poor, try checking your Wi-Fi strength, reconnecting to your network, or switching to a more stable connection if one is available. By following these steps in order, you can quickly determine whether the problem is related to the game servers, your browser's stored data, or your internet connection. This gives you a clean and practical way to narrow down the cause and move forward with the right fix.